client and you want to put all the tickets together on the same court date, and they'll set it up. You know, they might try to refer you up here, but that's not the proper way for it to be done.
Okay, I'll do that. Thanks so much.
Yeah.
Bye.
All right, we can get started. I know for sure you can bring out Nathan Dunlap, the officer did check in. Dominique Ray, that officer has not checked in. Delvon Richardson. Aida Rondo.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, Judge, I'm lost. You said Dunlap and who else?
Ray, Rose,
Ray,
Teray Dillard, and Danny Desmeister.
Rhodes.
No, Rose, the officer is here.
Oh, okay. Dillard and
Wait, Mr. Roque, were you ready on Rhodes?
yeah, he says he's got his documents. I think I saw him. So,
Okay. you can read.
okay, and okay. Anyone else that I don't have?
so Ritas and Reels are gonna be pleased.
Mr. Raeigen, not only you late, but you need to turn on your video and eliminate your noise. Mr. Raeigen, turn on your video and then eliminate your noise. Because you gotta eliminate your noise. We about to go on the record. Okay, Mr. Roque, anyone else that I didn't bring out?
So, Carly Rogers is gonna be a plea. Myleta Rondu should be no PO. And Elia Rudder should be no PO.
Rondu and Rudder. Okay, hold on.
Rogers.
Rondo Rudder, yep.
And
You
Rondu.
have Delvin Richardson.
Rondu. Did you say Carly Rogers?
Yes.
Okay.
Dunlap, we're gonna mute you because I don't know if you're not feeling well, but we're gonna mute you. And then when it's time for you to talk, figure out how to unmute yourself, okay? I didn't hear you, but I think it was, you were saying, okay, you don't need to unmute yourself.
Oh, okay. I hear you now. I'm good.
Yeah, you've been coughing a lot, so I hope you feel better, but we're gonna mute you.
Is that it, Ms. Soroki? Everyone is out.
Can we do that for right now and then we'll do the rest? I mean, there's trial dates and stuff, but
Okay, everyone, I'm about to open court. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, eating, sleeping, chewing of gum, listening to any electronic devices. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give the judge your full attention. Good morning, Your Honor. Let's see.
Good morning, Mr. Cutler, and good morning, Mr. Roque.
morning, Your Honor.
I was just making sure we had, oh, Delvin Richardson can come out, he's in room 3.
If you wanted the trial dates, Essence Davis can come, Devon Riley can come, Talisa Davis can come, Garrick Richardson.
Okay, you said David Riley, wait, you said, here, I can help you. You said David Riley,
Davis, two Davises.
Talisa
And then Richardson,
Garrett Richardson.
those are already also. And then Dexter,
Okay,
that should be most of the people.
yes, it is. just well, they're not coming out, so. Maybe we'll get them later. All right.
Hello.
Okay, Davis, we have opened up court. Please mute your devices and eliminate all noise background.
Yes.
Did Danny Desmeyer leave? Or is he here? So Danny Desmeyer was present. He was on the phone, but he's no longer here. And I know the officer never appeared, so we could just do that one.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll waive his appearance.
Okay, this is the People versus Danny Desmeyer. Ticket number SP 1230018. Count one, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please give your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pauline Stroke on behalf of Danny Desmeyer. At this time, I'm going to ask the court to waive my client's appearance.
All right, he was in fact here earlier. He was on the phone. I'm not sure what happened with him, or maybe we're not bringing him out, but we'll waive his appearance. This matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's now 10:20. No officer has
Your Honor, I move for dismissal.
this without prejudice. He is all set.
Thank you.
Hello? Hello?
Court's in session, Mr. Richardson. Please remain quiet until your name is called.
Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry.
This is the People versus Mylita Rondo, ticket number SP 1339874. Count one is driver license suspended. Count two, no proof of insurance. Count three, defective brake light. Ticket number U5626120. Competency of false felony or misdemeanor report. And ticket number P1229893. Count one, driver license suspended. And count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Rondu.
Yes.
Say your name, ma'am.
Mylita Rondo.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:21. No officer has appeared. Do you have a motion, Ms. Soroki?
Your Honor, motion to dismiss the various tickets.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Rondo.
I can log off.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Well, this is the People versus Nathan Dunlap. Ticket number U633744422. Count one, operating in a place of illegal occupation. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Dunlap.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Dunlap. Look on the bottom left-hand corner.
Yes, ma'am.
Say your name, sir.
Nathan Dunlap.
Set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:22. No officer has appeared. Do you have a motion, Mr. Soroki?
Your Honor, my motion is to dismiss, and we do have one additional matter. Mr. Dunlap indicated that when this incident occurred, that there was money taken from him and he'd like it to be refunded. He said he didn't get any forfeiture paperwork.
On the bond window, 9655118.
Mhm.
9655118.
Unless got reinstated, okay, dismiss something.
The case was dismissed.
Okay, then we need indicate this case.
Right.
Excuse me, I was wondering if we needed, on Anthony Reedus, the officer asked me in the breakout room, he had to check into another courtroom and he wanted to know if he could come right back. On Anthony Reedus.
He was gonna plead. So it should be fine.
Okay, I'm getting ready to, email over 3 offers on Roberson. There were 3 tickets I have.
There's only one officer here.
There were 3 officers. I spoke with 3 officers. Mohammed Kane, and I can't remember the other ones right now. Beckham.
Okay, so I don't know if you want us to do this on the record. I mean,
No, I just wanted to let you know that I'm gonna email it over on 3 tickets.
Mohammed, that ticket, they don't have the original ticket on that, so we're not gonna.
Yes, we're going to dismiss that.
Okay, all right, then, let me see what you got then, Paul, thank you.
I'm gonna email that over. Do you want me to email it to you, Attorney Soroki?
Yeah,
What's your email again? Or do you want to put it in chat?
yeah, I don't care, either way.
Okay, what the heck? All right.
Hi, how are you?
You guys done? We can finish calling cases? All right, you ready, Mr. Oki?
I'm ready.
Okay. All right, this is the people versus
Oh.
Elijah Rudder.
Oh, what about Nathan?
What do you mean?
There was another matter.
You didn't get the number I told you to call?
No.
I gave you a number that you were supposed to call.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't get that, man. Judge.
Yeah, give it to you.
I didn't get a number.
You said that, Miss Davis, I did give it to him.
Would it be?
I said 313-965-5118. That's what I said.
And who am I calling, Judge?
This is you said you want your money back that was forfeited, correct?
Correct.
You called that number to start the process of getting your money back.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're all set.
Thank you.
This is
Have a good day.
Elijah Rudder, ticket number P1339797. Count 1, no proof of insurance. Count 2, drug law license not valid or improper license. Count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please take your name to the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Elijah Rudder.
State your name, sir.
Yes, good morning, Judge Elijah Rudder.
Your Honor, these matters are set for trial today. I do not believe the officer had appeared. I'm going to move for dismissal.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
I can leave the room.
You're all set, sir.
When
Okay.
you hear you're all set, that means you can log off. This is the people versus Dominique Gray, ticket number P1321897. Count 1, fails to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Dominique Ray.
Say your name, ma'am.
Dominique Gray.
Your Honor, these matters were set for trial this morning. I do not believe the officers checked in. I'm moving for dismissal.
They're dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Ray. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Delvin Richardson, ticket number P1334132. Count 1, fails to display a valid operator's license not on person. And count 2, disregard traffic control device. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Richardson.
Say your name, sir.
Delvon Stokes Richardson.
Your Honor, Mr. Richardson's matters are set for trial today. I do not believe the officer checked in. I'd move for dismissal.
I didn't hear.
Dismissed without prejudice, sir. You're all set.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
People versus Teray Dillard, ticket number SX39432, I'm sorry, SX3943920. Count one, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Teray Dillard.
Say your name. No, I think that's
Miss Dillard?
Ms. Dillard, say your name, ma'am.
Teray Dillard. Teray Dillard.
Your Honor, this
Teray
matter,
Dillard.
Heard you.
Teray Dillard.
We heard you. Thank you.
this matter set for trial today, Your Honor. The officer is not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Dillard. Good luck.
Thank you.
This is the People versus Gregory Rhodes. Ticket number P13455156, count one, no insurance misdemeanor, count two, expired plate. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor,
Gregory Road. I'm sorry.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Rhodes. I do believe the officer's here on this matter.
Yes, I'm gonna bring him out.
Mr. Rhodes, you indicated you had your insurance and registration, correct?
Yes,
Okay, so did you show them to me?
my insurance is on the phone, but can you,
Not with you keep moving it, I can't see it. Pull it back a little bit. All right, I see your insurance. I mean, your registration. Can you
I didn't mean
the
to.
insurance is on my phone.
screenshot it?
Okay,
And I'll give you my phone number.
okay.
Call his.
I just pulled it up. Boom.
What do we call it? Corporate rule, if, Gregory Rhodes has indicated that he has his, insurance and his registration. Are you okay
Okay.
with it? Yes. Are you okay with it being dismissed?
Has anyone seen it?
Well, that's what we're waiting on. So if he in fact has it, would you? be
Yeah,
okay with
yeah.
it?
If he has it, yeah, I'm willing to dismiss.
He did show his registration, but
I'm
he's,
trying to,
You
I'm
saw
trying
it?
to see.
I saw his registration. He's gonna text me his insurance. I gave him my
Okay.
phone number. It's in the chat, sir, on the bottom of your screen.
Okay, there we go. Where'd it go?
We'll recall it, so I'm gonna
Oh.
move on. I'll recall your case. This is the People versus Talisa Davis, ticket number P12022825. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Talisa Davis.
Say your name, ma'am. You unmute yourself and say your name. Look on the bottom.
Lisa
left-hand corner.
Davis.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to review Miss Davis's license. It appears to be valid. I move for dismissal.
You stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Davis. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Turn off the music.
This is the People versus Anthony Reedus. Ticket number, can you bring out office, can you bring out, Spidell? Is he here? I don't know who was here.
Your Honor, Mr. Rita should have two counts. I only saw one on the docket. It should have been one, no registration and no proof of insurance.
Well, okay, I have two tickets, one that's in warrant status and it's unregistered vehicle and improper license, not valid license.
He indicates on the same ticket he's on trial for today, he had a no proof of insurance and he didn't miss any dates.
It's in default.
If he didn't miss any dates, it shouldn't have gone into default though. I mean,
It's in default because it's a civil infraction. If you didn't pay it in the amount of time, it was going to default.
if it fouls the misdemeanor, is it the same day as the misdemeanor?
It is the same day, but it went into default. He
It
had two civil infractions. They're from 2021.
Okay, if he indicated he didn't miss any court dates on the misdemeanor. And if that's the case, the civil infractions should have followed it and they should not have gone into default.
I don't think that's true.
We can check it out. What's the case?
We'll look, but I don't.
Thank you.
SP 128 1569.
No,
Count two.
And then I guess we need an offer that wouldn't compromise the other ticket that's in warrant status.
That's if it went into default July 13th, 2022.
If the court's indicating he capiased on the misdemeanor and this was filing it, I'm fine with that. But if it's filing the lead ticket, it shouldn't have gone into default. That's all I'm saying.
I don't know why you're saying that happens for all of these tickets.
No,
um, that was 7/8/22. Count one, the one we did, that's the misdemeanor, right? Um,
Excuse me, Mr. Roki, do you have a Maurice Register ticket?
I don't have any tickets, Paula.
Oh, do you have that on the docket for today, Maurice Register? Because I'm speaking with the officer right now and I have some information if you need it. Excuse me if I'm interrupting the judge, though.
And Mr. Register,
He
didn't check in.
20,
He has not checked in.
Mr. Roki, he missed the court date July 8th.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
So Mr. Register has not checked in because some of the troopers have asked me when is capias going to be called?
he hasn't checked in, but we do have a couple of people in the.
Now, we can call it now. We'll KPS him. We do it at 10:30.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is the people versus Anthony Reedus, ticket number P1281567, count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and ticket number P11091111, count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Anthony Reedus.
State your name, sir. Is he not out here?
No, he's not out. And if we probably need, is that second ticket the one you said's in warrant status in the offer? Because I only have,
It would be failed to display, I mean, either or improper place, either one.
okay, for both tickets. Okay, then we'll be ready when he comes out, so.
Hello? Come on. Yes, I'm here.
You have to be still, Mr. Reedus. You cannot be walking.
Okay. I am Anthony Reedus.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Reedus, at this time, he's going to avail himself and plead to the unregistered vehicle and the other matter be dismissed.
Raise your right hand, sir. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Are you forced to do anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
That's something to, yes.
Is he pleading to, never mind, is he pleading to improper place or is it just unregistered vehicle?
Improper plates, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty, you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You plead that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm gonna direct your attention.
Is it possible?
Why don't you turn your video off? I
Pardon?
don't think you're connected strong.
Hold on. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, you direct your attention to November 19, 2021 at 2:58 PM. On that date and time, were you at or near Linwood and Davidson in the city of Detroit,
Yes,
driving a 2005 Chevrolet vehicle?
yes,
And was the vehicle unregistered or entitled?
yes.
Satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So the other tickets dismissed will proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine. Can you have that paid by October 20th?
Yes. What's to?
Mr. Ritas, you had a warrant dismissed for a misdemeanor matter for no license. That's probably what your suspension was. But as for that civil infraction, it went into default in June, so you need to pay that. It's no point.
Okay, so that's the
You got your warrant. There was another warrant you had, and we took care of that.
okay. So my
Two that are in default.
pardon me.
You have two tickets that are in default.
Okay. So about those tickets, what are those tickets?
Defective equipment and no proof of insurance.
Okay, so those ones that was in warrants, that is correct.
No, you had another one that was in warrant status. We dealt with the one in warrant status today. You have two that are in default.
Okay, so how do I go about settling those also?
How to pay them? You can pay it online. You can come in person. You can pay it over the phone. There's a kiosk around the city at Meyer CVS called DIVDAT, DIVDAT. And you can pay it at those kiosks.
Okay. Okay, so as of right now, my license is not suspended or they are suspended.
I don't know if your license is suspended. You need to check with Secretary of State.
Okay, is there any type of documents that I can get from you guys today to show them that I have been to court? Because I had got a notice in the mail for no insurance. And if I didn't get a receipt or something from the court, that they will suspend my license.
You can go online after this afternoon. It
You
should
can
be
go online this afternoon,
it'll be updated.
and it'll show that you attended court.
Okay, thank you. So I see you, so pay the 200 by the 22nd October, correct?
By the 20th of October.
The 20th. Okay, got you.
Okay, so you're all set, Mr. Ritas.
Okay, thank you. Y'all have a good day.
You too.
Did Clifford Reels check in, Attorney Soroki? Clifford Reels, REELS?
Yeah,
Yes.
Do you know if there's an offer, if you needed an offer on that or what's going on?
He's gonna take the plea.
Okay, thank you.
How you doing? Are we ready on Garrett Richardson?
Yes.
Are you ready on yours? What are we waiting for?
Yes, we're ready on Mr. Richardson.
Okay. She just leave? Yeah, she left. All right, this is the people versus Garrett Richardson, ticket number 334542. Count 1, no operator's license in possession, and count 2, no insurance. Good morning, please have your name to the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Richardson.
Say your name, sir.
Garrett Richardson.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Richardson's continuing his plea and not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Richardson. Raise your right hand, sir.
Oh.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You put your hand down, you've had an opportunity, I'm sorry, you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder? Do you understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
The court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for November 2nd at 9 o'clock.
November 2nd.
Yes, sir, at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Carly Rogers, are we ready on that one?
Yes.
All right, this is the People versus Carly Rogers, ticket number P1340380. Count 1. Expired plates, count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P1340419, count 1, drove a license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Sergeant Lynham.
Yes, good morning, Sergeant Charles Lynham, badge S1482, Detroit Police.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Carly Rogers.
So your name is Rogers.
Carly Rogers.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation. My client wishes to avail herself of that.
Ticket for ticket number P1340380.
Yes,
Do you stipulate the probable cause? That's for the remaining ticket.
so stipulated.
All right. So that ticket is dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. So there's gonna be a fine, Ms. Rogers, let me do my math, really sorry. It's gonna be a fine of $340. Because these are civil infractions, they're usually due in 14 days. Can you have the 340 paid by October 6th?
You said October the 5th?
The 6th.
No.
I'll give you, I'll do October 20th.
Okay.
If you don't have it paid by then, it's gonna go into default and you'll incur late fees. So you need to make sure you get this paid. If you need to get on a payment plan, you can always come down to the court and apply for a payment plan, but you have to put 25% down and you have to get approved.
Okay.
Okay, any other questions?
No.
Okay, you're all set. Good luck to you. Thank you, Sergeant.
Thank you, Honor.
Ms. Cole, are you ready on your first word? Ms. Cole, were you ready or?
Mr. Petway, has a Donald Douglas checked in?
No, he did not.
So I can tell the officer it'll be a KPS?
Yes.
Thank you.
So you're all set, Sergeant Lynham. Thank you. Did we do Gregory Rhodes?
Gregory Rhodes.
I was waiting on Mr. Rookie's phone number.
Gregory Rhodes.
Oh, I put it in the chat, sir.
You was going to recall it.
I ain't even, it's in the chat.
Did you check your chat?
Chat. I'm
Is
not
it not-
putting it. Chat. Okay, let's see. Okay. I got you.
What we call his? This is the People versus Nabria Dexter, ticket number SX3690492, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Dexter.
Nabria Dexter.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Dexter is entering a plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Dexter. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Do You understand that we're having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
Yes, the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for November 2nd at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay, you're all set.
Thank you.
Thank you. Officer Borsch, you are all set to go. We're gonna Cape Clifford Rios, because I don't think he showed up.
Okay, good morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
Oh, wait, he did show up. No.
Yeah, this is gonna be a plea. That's a plea, Your Honor.
Oh, you wanna bring him out?
I'll bring him out.
Register did not check in. Oh, well, there's someone here on an LG device. We can see if that's him, but so far he hasn't shown. And then still waiting on Gregory Rose. And I don't think Mark Robinson.
LG device caller, could you turn on your video and give us your name? LG K40.
Mark,
LG K40 device. Could you give us your name and turn on your video?
They're not even connected to audio. So, Mr. Rose, have you sent in your stuff to Ms. Soroki? If not, we'll do Davon Riley. This is the people versus Davon Riley. Ticket number 398028, count one, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number 203-98028, count one, no operator's license on person. Are these the same? I think they're the same. I'm sorry. Ticket number P1224786, count one, drove while license not valid or improper license, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number X2844032, count one, accident failed to stop an ID property damage accident. Hit and run. Ticket number 16287724. Count one, drive while license not valid. And ticket number that's the same. All right. Good morning. Please say your names to the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Strug on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name.
Devon Riley.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Riley is entering a plea of not guilty, asking the warrant be set aside and asking for a trial date.
Raise your, he's asking for a bench trial. Is it a bench trial date?
Yes, bench trial. I'm sorry.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Riley. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand out. You've had an opportunity to speak. I'm sorry. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your
No.
right to a jury trial?
No.
Understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
The court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set up for bench trial for November 2nd at 9 o'clock.
Excuse
Yes, sir.
excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Was that just for all that's for all of the tickets or just the one?
It's for all of the tickets that I just called.
Okay, I understand.
Oh, you know what? And yeah, you have one more ticket that I didn't call. Ticket number P1224556, count one. Oh, no, I think this is in default, so never mind. So yes, it's for all the tickets I just called. So I believe that's all of your tickets.
Okay.
So Your
So
Honor, I
for-
now have the documents for Mr. Rhodes.
What,
What's, Mr. Riley, what's wrong?
I didn't get it, was there a court date? I didn't get a chance to hear that.
November 2nd at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
This is the People versus Gregory Rhodes, ticket number P1345156. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Jeremy Rule. Can you say your name, Corporal Rule?
Gregory Rhodes.
Corporal Rule, can you unmute yourself, say your name, sir?
Corporal Rule, Badge 3896, Detroit Police, 6th Precinct.
Thank you.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke in behalf of Gregory Rhodes. I have had an opportunity to view both his insurance and his registration. I'm going to ask these matters to be dismissed.
Stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, Mr. Corporal Rule has not objected to having these matters dismissed. Court will dismiss these without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Rhodes, good luck.
All right, thank you.
Did Mark Robinson ever show up?
No.
No? Okay. That's all I had. Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. All right, this is the People versus Clifford Rios. Ticket number P1344852, count 1, open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Porsche.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Boris, Badge 2102, Detroit Police Traffic and Enforcement Unit.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke in behalf of Mr. Rios.
Yes.
Say your name, Mr. Rios.
Clifford Rios.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation that this matter would be amended to open alcohol passenger. My client's going to avail himself of that recommendation.
Right here, Mr. Rios. Raise
Yes.
your right hand, sir. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to visit Soroki today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to April 22nd, 2022 at 5:35 p.m. on that date and time when you at near Warren and Haverhill in the city of Detroit,
Yes.
driving a 2009 Ford vehicle.
Yes.
You have open alcohol in that vehicle.
Yes.
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Was also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission, will amend the count to open alcohol passenger, will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine, and you have that paid by October 20th.
How much is it?
200. Can you have it paid by October 20th?
October 20th?
Yes, sir.
$200 October 20th. Okay.
Okay, you can, or did you need more time?
I probably need more time.
November 17th.
Okay, thank you.
You're all set, sir. Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm all set. Thank you. Have a great day.
Sergeant Jones, Maurice registered did not check in, so you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor. That was habeas.
It's gonna be habeas.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Ensign Davis, ticket number P1044900, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number P1280611, count 1, drove a license not valid or improper license, count 2, basic you know, I think that's the default, never mind. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, via Essence Davis. At this time, we waive the formal reading of the information, stand mute to the charges.
Ms. Davis, unmute yourself, state your name.
Ms. Davis, you have to sit up.
Essence Davis.
You have to sit up, Ms.
I'm
Davis.
sorry. I do apologize, but I like I said, I work midnights. I'm very tired. I'm sorry, but I will sit up. I'm not trying to go to sleep. I just did a whole 12-hour shift.
So how did you find we should proceed, Ms. Soroki?
Your Honor, she's entering a plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Davis. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
So the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for November 2nd at 9 o'clock. Did you get the date? November 2nd at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
You're all set. Good luck.
Thank you. You have a